welcome back to my channel.
We got
Hey buddy, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be outside for 24 hours and we're going to be camping outside. We're going to be camping outside for
You looking for your power pouch?
24 hours.
We brought it outside. I know. Yeah, where's the power pouch? You guys are staying there for a week.
Sweet.
Yeah, I locked you guys up.
Okay. We can easily climb, you idiot. Why?
Bob, do you think I can't climb? Hi. So I'm being Gabby's sister, and we're doing a 24-hour outside challenge. So we put up. You guys.
I'll give you a tour. That's exactly what she said. So we
have our little snack bags to get here. We're gonna go get some more snacks. We have a little light. We have some little lights and stuff. Are we doing a channel? And we have some decorations there. Some decorations over here. We have a bag of extra stuff here. And then
we have our trash.
are you guys doing?
This is also where Brianna belongs.
So are you doing a channel? So one of the things that we're doing is we're going to be trying to sleep out here through the whole night. And it's super dark and it's right next to a wood you can't see. It's like a whole bunch of woods back there. And like there's coyotes and like big snakes all the time back there. So we're hoping that we don't die. So we're going to be filming through the whole night.
And hopefully my phone don't die.
And if so, then I'll just record it and like send them to her for her to post. But we're not going to like record from here the whole time. We're probably going to pause it or like stop the video and then like move on and then do a part 2 before we like start actually staying outside.
This is also our part 1 of camping outside. Stop.
Okay, so another thing we did our hair. My hair's green.
Yep, and mine.
It still looks blonde, but it's green.
Channel.
There's some blue too. Gabby also got her hair done.
Bob's
hair wet. Yeah. I thought it was dry.
Purple in the back. More purple in the back than it is in the front.
Okay, guys, give us a big thumbs up.
And this is not over. Do this.
Bye, we got marshmallows.
Can he stop eating so much?
Grayson, that's all you've done is ate since we got out here.
Yeah. So we got marshmallows. I don't like marshmallows.
I can't. I don't like
Odd. I'm an odd child. I don't like pizza either.
We need to put chocolate on the grocery list.
I have a marshmallow
and graham crackers.
I have a marshmallow. So I am so scared. But we're going to try to sleep out here. And we're trying to prove our dad wrong. That we can. And did everyone forget a brush?
Well, it's all of us now.
Of course we did. We all forgot how to brush.
That's all.
But we can brush it in the morning, so.
Mama, that's all.
Once we go inside, we'll have some breakfast. We'll actually have like a little bar and a juice or something. Yeah.
I need a pink pen. I need the pen.
Oh, and your juice. Oh, that's my juice.
I needed to finish the list.
Yes. Okay, we're good.
Yeah, because
hey.
Chocolate. All we have. I didn't like to finish what everybody wants for their candy. I need the pen.
I want to see it.
I just want to
Buy a family pack of Hershey's.
Okay, I'll just buy a couple bags of candy.
Stop.
And then $1 candy.
Yeah.
So just buy a few chocolate, like gummy worms. Yeah.
Real food, guys. Real food.
They're like for candy, right?
No, we already have candy on the list.
We're talking about what candy to get.
Gummy worms, gummy bears, and chocolate. Easy. Why do we eat chocolate at night?
Hershey's a mouse. We're not doing s'mores. Yeah.
Usually people don't touch me. Yeah, no one does.
That's good. Really? Yeah, the last one.
Bob, it's okay.
We're not gonna die.
No, Grayson, you're done eating.
Are you eating again?
Yes.
Eat it, and that's the last thing you get.
Enjoy. You are not eating tonight.
You can eat later.
Or never.
Way later.
Yeah, way later until tomorrow.
Eat later.
As in later, we mean tomorrow. Well, I mean tomorrow.
Waiting for dinner.
No.
That's what
All he's been doing is eating at Adeline. You can't just take up for your brother like every time we get mad at him.
Guys, let's go inside. I don't know if Daddy's here.
Daddy is here.
You can't go out. He's not inside.
You don't have to be inside.
I didn't see him outside either. So bye guys, we'll start part 2 in a couple hours.
No, we won't.
We're gonna set the camera up in here for you guys to like just watch. Yeah.
I'll try to like.
We should stop it here because, or they'll be like watching like a 4-hour video.
I'm not gonna make it 4 hours. It'll make me stop. Yeah, it will.
How many of them?
I only have 6.
Just say, okay guys, we'll part 2 in a couple hours.
It's fine for y'all.
Well, you said you didn't want to.
You're always mad at me for stupid reasons.
Eating die.
Ron, do you want me to die?
They're done.
Ron, do you want me to die? You're missing a lot of money.
A lot.
Like $20 worth of money.
Wrong.
$20?
Oh. So how many dollars is there? Oh, I got. Ron, do you want me to die?
No.
Then don't let me eat tomorrow or I'll die.
Grayson.
Grayson, I thought you were done at 8.
Yeah. Since you got in here.
I'm hungry. Get that away from me. It stinks.
It smells good.
I hate peanut butter.
I love peanut butter.
Bob,
I'm back, guys.
tomorrow you ain't eating. Then how are we going to
Yes, he is.
Reese's have peanut butter? Don't eat that much. I mean,
I don't have to get out.
I don't know if Daddy's home. I think he may want to eat that.
It's fine.
I did get you juice. That's what I call it.
Olivia, green. Yeah, baby girl, don't you hear me? Guys, I have to go. I'm sorry. I need to brush my hair. I need to clean my whole room. I need to do a lot of stuff. So, bye. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and hit those post notifications. You can get every update that we make when we, make videos. Bye.